A keyboard is a commonly used electronic device that can harbor bacteria, germs, and other harmful pathogens if not cleaned regularly. Regular cleaning of your keyboard can help to prevent the spread of germs and bacteria and ensure that it stays hygienic. In this how-to video, we will discuss some tips and tricks for cleaning a keyboard to keep it hygienic. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. The first step in keeping your keyboard hygienic is to wash your hands before using it. This will help to reduce the amount of dirt and bacteria that transfer onto the keyboard. Using disinfectant wipes is an effective way to clean your keyboard and kill any bacteria or germs that may be present. Be sure to use wipes that are safe for use on electronics and follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to use them. Another effective way to clean your keyboard is by using rubbing alcohol. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and use it to clean the sides of the keys. Be sure to use a different cotton swab for each key to prevent spreading bacteria. Using a vacuum cleaner is an effective way to remove any debris, dirt, or dust from your keyboard. Use a handheld vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to clean the surface of the keyboard and between the keys. Avoid eating or drinking near your keyboard to prevent any crumbs, spills, or stains. This will also help to reduce the likelihood of bacteria and germs accumulating on the keyboard. Using a keyboard cover is an effective way to keep your keyboard clean and hygienic. The cover can help to prevent dirt, dust, and debris from accumulating on the keyboard and protect it from spills and stains. Cleaning your keyboard regularly is essential for maintaining its hygiene. It is recommended to clean your keyboard at least once a week or more frequently if you use it frequently. Keeping your keyboard clean and hygienic is important for preventing the spread of bacteria, germs, and other harmful pathogens. Follow these tips and tricks to keep your keyboard clean and hygienic and reduce the risk of illness or infection. Remember to wash your hands before using the keyboard, use disinfectant wipes, clean the keys with alcohol, and avoid eating or drinking near the keyboard. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.